I'm Daniel Williams, and on today's menu is one of the best things to eat on 420, donuts. All right, we're gonna start off with warm milk. I'm gonna go ahead and add an egg as well. Mix that well. Just a little bit of sugar. Go ahead and add your yeast. Give that a good mix. Typically, this will take 5 to 10 minutes for the yeast to get alive. You'll see a big foam on top of the milk and egg. All right, we'll go flour in first. Pinch of salt. Quick whisk. Now, if your yeast does not look like this, please don't even try it. And we'll just slowly incorporate all this together. As the dough starts coming together, slowly add in 2 tablespoons of soft butter. Fold and push, fold and push. All right, once the dough has come together, go ahead and just plop this on the counter. We're gonna need for about 5 to 10 minutes, preferably 10 minutes. So find 2 songs you like and play them. Simple motions, push, pull back, push, pull back. Kind of like your favorite toxic lover. Push them away, bring them back. Use a spatula to keep the dough within the dough. And just keep going. So as you've worked your dough, you should get this nice little texture on that outer surface. We're gonna oil a bowl, just lightly, just wipe it all around just in case it gets stuck. If you want these a little bit more airy, nicer crumb on the inside, you can have these sit for 8 to 10 hours. But if you don't want to wait that long, they'll still taste good. After you've waited 2 to 3 hours, it should have double in size. Go ahead and pop that, let all the air out. Hit the countertop with some flour so the dough doesn't stick. Add some on a spinning wheel as well. And we will dump the dough straight onto the flour. Lightly surface the top just so it doesn't stick as well. And just gently roll it out. Try not to go too thin. If you go too thin, you'll get flat donuts. We'll take our shapers and we will make as many circles, holes, donut shapes, whatever you want to call them, as much as possible. Add a little hole in the middle. Voila, a donut. All right, so our donuts have been resting for a good 45 to an hour. As far as the temperature for the oil, I don't measure the temp. So you have fully high heat, you got medium, go right in between there. Just like with everything in cooking, make sure you always lay everything away. Really just going for color. Golden brown is your guide. After 90 seconds, go ahead and check them. That guy's ready to go. Beautiful brown color. By the way, if you like cake donuts, you need to be on like FBI's most wanted list or something. Y'all are psychos. Check the bottom for the color as well. This one's ready to go. Right. We'll let those cool off. So we're gonna go 1 pink icing and then 1 chocolate. So we have 1 cup of powdered sugar in each bowl, cocoa powder in this one, and we'll just do a couple drops of vanilla extract. And same with this one. Add your milk. And then to get that pink color, I'm just gonna add 2 drops of red dye. Cool. All right, and the best part for last. We are going to dip these in the icing. Dip them in some Fruity Pebbles. Feel free to have sprinkles, any type of cereal you want, any toppings. It is your world. Chocolate first, into the cereal, dip in pink, come up and twist, cereal, and there you have it. On today's menu, we had chocolate and pink sprinkled donuts with Fruity Pebbles. The best 420 snack you can have. I am Daniel Williams. Thanks for vibing with me and Revolt on 420. I mean, might as well just open up a bakery myself, so happy 420, y'all.